Okay, I was going to demonstrate this Vanos actuator removal tool that I've made. So this is a BMW Vanos actuator. This engine specifically is the 2018 M550i, which is the N63 engine, which has 4 of these Vanos actuators. But these Vanos actuators are the same for the Mini and a lot of the BMWs on the newer, not the Vanos solenoid, but the Vanos actuators. And the way you remove them is they have 2 holes here, here and over here, and there's a special tool you have to buy that fits in those 2 pins and rotates it. But I found that this screwdriver fits in this hole well, and I tried using 2 screwdrivers and prying on it like this, and that wasn't enough force. So what I did is I made this tool to hold 2 screwdrivers at that width. The model online is adjustable if your Vanos solenoid is different for some reason, or Vanos actuators has different spacing for some reason. And you can also change the angle of this handle. So screwdrivers go in like this. Those fit into the hole, and then you can actually design to, if you're like when I'm on this side, the right side, I have to have the handle over here. When I'm on the left side of the engine, I have the handle going directly to the right. So when you're laying it out in the model, it'll ask you for the angle you want. The angle 0 would be straight right, 90 would be straight up, and 180 would be straight left. But remember, when you're printing it on the plate, it prints like this. So when you say 0, it's going to look like it's going that way, and so on and so forth. The angle will be opposite of what you kind of think looking at it on the plate, but when you print it, you're going to be using it like this. So this is like 112 degrees, I believe. And then I've also created a butt holder for the screwdrivers so that you can keep a little pressure on the screwdrivers over that, so you can keep them pressed, keep the screwdrivers pressed into the slots while you turn it. And then I'll show you how I use it. Oh, first undo your electrical connection. So when I get this electrical connection off, you can see how I just did it. It's takes quite a bit of force, more than you'd think. And then it pulls out. And then this is what an old one looks like. You can see the pen moves in and out pretty slow, and new one will move out really fast. But these springs here, the tension you're getting over this copper spring here. So once you get over that tension, it comes out pretty easy.